AOA. Today we will see how to update all drivers for laptop or PC. Normally we need a CD drive or downloaded driver for updating drivers for our PC. But in this video we will learn how we can auto-update our PC driver. So for this you need an Snappy Drivers software. Now open Snappy Drivers folder and follow my steps. Run auto run file. Click on second option driver pack solution. Not it's loading. These drivers are missing, so now we can install it. All drivers are installed. Now close it. Click on third option. Snappy-driver-installer. It's a one more installer in the same software. All drivers are updated. So that's all for today. For setup software you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you.